In this video, we will see what to look for in a niche. While selecting a niche is important, you should not spend too much time on this. Many people overanalyze and get stuck here. Don't let analysis paralysis keep you from getting this step completed quickly. You can make a steady income in just about any niche you choose as long as it satisfies a few key rules of thumb. The first rule: the niche should have scores upon scores of products being sold on Amazon. Most of these products should be selling for at least $50, and at least a handful of these should have more than 50 4 and 5-star reviews. You do not want to select a niche that has no products being sold on Amazon, but these days, just about any niche you can think of has products being sold on Amazon, so this is rarely something to worry about. It is also essential that the niche have at least a few products that are being sold for more than $50 on Amazon. If not, you might have a hard time making more than $500 or $1,000 a month in revenues from the site. Amazon pays a commission of around 6 to 8% or slightly more for each product that you sell. Selling a $50 product will yield you between $3 to $4. It would be near impossible to build a site that can make more than $1,000 in commission every month if all of the products you are promoting on the site cost $5 or less. So, you want most of the products in the niche to be at least $50 or more. $100 would be even better. But you do not want to take this too far and try to build a site solely around $1,000 products, like a site promoting super high-end jewelry. Those products do not sell in large numbers like $50 and $100 products do, and you will again have a hard time building a profitable affiliate site. You would also want to consider how many reviews the bestsellers in the niche have. You want to see at least 50 to 100 reviews, more the merrier. Why is this important? Because you want to get a rough estimate of what the demand for these products are and how many units might be selling in any given time period. Not everyone who buys a product leaves a review. Only a tiny fraction of buyers actually take the time to write a review, and people who have had a bad buying experience are far more likely to leave a negative review, while most people who like the product never write a review. So, if a product has 50 or 100 or more positive reviews, it would mean people are buying it. And if a product has at least 100 reviews, and most of them are 4 stars or 5 stars, it certainly means it is selling well and people are very happy with it. We will discuss all of this in much greater detail in the keyword research section. The second rule: you should be comfortable with working in the niche for at least 3 to 4 months. You do not have to be an expert in the niche or be very passionate about it. While expertise and passion would definitely help, they are not necessary. It is alright if you are comfortable working in the niche for at least 3 to 4 months, which is how long it would take you to build a 50 to 100 plus page website and start generating a steady income from it, assuming you will be writing all of the content. Do not worry if you do not know much about the niche at this stage. You can always research and learn all that you need to create a website in any niche. Rule number 3: the niche should be big enough to support a site that's at least 50 to 100 pages in size. These days, bigger authority sites do a lot better in Google. Your site should be at least 50 or 100 pages or more in size when you are done with it. One common mistake many do is selecting a niche that's just too small. You would be hard pressed to build a 100-page website about golf balls under $10. On the other hand, golf balls would be great as a niche. You will be able to find lots of products to sell and can easily build a 100-page site. These are the only three rules that you need to select a niche. Many people overcomplicate this simple process and take days or even weeks to select a niche. That kind of effort is not necessary. As an Amazon affiliate, you will be building several websites in various niches. So it's not like there are only a few good niches out there and you have to find the best of them. In truth, there are literally millions of niches you can build profitable sites in. All you need to do is choose one and get going.